In 1933, surrealist painter René Magritte created The Human Condition, a painting within a painting, a window, a canvas, a view, all blending into one. At first, it feels simple, a landscape outside, a painting before it, yet the two align perfectly, tricking the eye. But Magritte's question isn't about sight, it's about truth. What do we really see, the world or our idea of it? The canvas hides what lies behind it, yet we believe it reveals everything. We live like that too, mistaking perception for reality, mistaking the frame for freedom. Magritte invites us to look again, to see how every view we hold might just be another painting on the glass of our minds. Because sometimes what we call the world is only the reflection of ourselves,